Welcome back, guys. Today we will be making some smashed potatoes. Wait up for the intro, guys.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen.
I'm gonna go ahead and coat the potatoes with some olive oil. I'm going to use this clear glass to smash the potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and season the potatoes lightly, and you can use whatever season of your choice, okay? The potatoes again with some olive oil and preheat your oven at 425 degrees and bake these for 45 minutes. Now I will be using some dill to dress up the potatoes nicely. Look how amazing these are looking, guys. Very yummy and delicious, crispy and nice on the outside, soft and tasty on the inside. Try them out, guys. Very easy to prepare. All you need is just some potatoes and some seasoning. To all my newly subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I welcome you all with a warm welcome. I am super happy that you're here. And to all my supporters, thank you guys so much for your continuous support. Truly appreciate it. More blessings to each and every one. Take care of yourselves. Put God first in all you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Thanks again, guys. And please, if you're new here, listen to this song at the ending and follow. Thank you. Bye.
Support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.